Watch this.
Every night at exactly 3:33 a.m., he woke up. At first, it felt like coincidence, a glitch in his sleep. But then, it kept happening, again and again and again. Same time, same darkness, same feeling that something wasn't right. The room felt colder each night. The shadows.
This entire horror short film was created using just one simple prompt. I'm about to show you how channels like these are getting millions of views just by posting 2D horror stories. But this time, I've made the process even better. Instead of creating short clips that only earn a few cents, you can produce cinematic, long-form short films that look highly realistic and can make you thousands of dollars. I'll guide you step by step on how to animate your scenes, generate your images, and edit everything together to create a clean, engaging short film. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you enjoy this kind of content so you don't miss the next video. For this video, we'll be using ChatGPT. You can use either the free version or the paid version. Both will work perfectly fine. Next, open Google Docs, where I've placed a detailed prompt made specifically for this video. If you want the prompt, just drop a comment saying prompt, and I'll send it to you for completely free. Copy the entire prompt carefully so you don't miss any important details. Once that's done, head back to ChatGPT, paste it in, and click send. ChatGPT will process your prompt and generate a list of 10 different horror-style documentary video ideas. From there, you can review the options and choose the one that interests you the most. After that, I'll type it in and send it. Next, it will ask how long you want your video to be, with options ranging from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Since this is just a tutorial, I'm choosing 2 minutes, but you can select any length you prefer. So, I'll simply type 2 and then click send. Once I hit send, ChatGPT will generate a complete script for the video we're about to create. This includes the title, hashtags, image generation prompts, animation prompts, and even the voiceover script. After you receive all of that, the next step is to copy the first image generation prompt. Once you've copied the prompt, head back to your image generator. For this example, I'll be using Google Flow, and the best part is, it's completely free with absolutely no watermarks. Start by clicking on New Project to create a fresh workspace. Once that's open, paste your prompt directly into the prompt box. Now pay close attention here, because this next part matters. If you miss it, your results won't come out right. Click on the settings panel and you'll see a settings bar open up on the side. First, make sure you select images as your output type. After that, go to the aspect ratio section and choose 16:9. Since we're creating long-form videos, this ratio works perfectly for that format. From here, you can generate as many images as you like. But for this example, I'll be going with just 2 images. Finally, it's time to select your model. Go ahead and choose Imagen 4 for the best quality results. Once everything is set, simply hit generate, and within just a few seconds, your images will be ready. The detail and quality you get from this tool is honestly impressive. Now just repeat the exact same process. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, return to Google Flow, paste it in, and hit generate again. Your second set of images will be ready in seconds, just like before. Now to save us some time, I've gone ahead and generated all the remaining images in advance, so we can move straight into the next step without any delays. Go ahead and download all your images, and we're ready to move on to the animation stage. For the animation step, we're going to be using Google Vids, and this method is completely free with no watermarks. Open a new browser tab and search for Google Vids. Click on the first official result. I'll also drop the direct link in the description to save you time. Sign in with your Google or Gmail account. Once you're signed in, a pop-up will load showing all the available features. Quick note, Google Vids might not be available in every region just yet. If it's not accessible in your area, just use a reliable VPN and you'll be good to go. From the pop-up, click on the Veo 3.1 option. This opens the main generation interface. Now, since we already have our images ready, select the Animate an Image option. Click to upload your first image directly from your device. Then type a simple but effective animation prompt. Something like, "Animate this naturally with smooth motion," works perfectly. Hit generate. Google Vids will process it and render your animated clip in seconds. Once it's ready, drag it down onto the timeline at the bottom of the workspace. The quality and motion you get here is seriously impressive. And again, completely free. Now just repeat this exact process for every image you generated. Upload the next image, paste the prompt, set your aspect ratio, and hit generate. Keep going until all your clips are done. One thing to keep in mind, you get around 10 to 12 free video generations per day. If you need more, simply log in with additional Gmail accounts and you can scale up as much as you need. Once all your clips are ready, download them and save everything in one folder. Next, I'll show you how to create the voiceover for this video. And for this step, I'll be using Fish Audio. Now before we jump in, I just want to say, out of every text-to-speech tool I've tested, Fish Audio is genuinely one of the best I've come across. And I don't say that lightly. What makes it stand out is how human the voices actually sound. There's real emotion in them, real depth, not that flat, robotic delivery you get from most other tools. When you open the main dashboard, you'll notice everything is right there in one place. Text-to-speech, voice cloning, sound effect generator, and audio separation, all under a single tool. So whenever you need audio, just hit text-to-speech and you're ready to go. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. First, head over to the Voices section. Fish Audio has a huge library of realistic AI voices. Browse through them and take your time.
During the winter of 1985, residents of a small Maine town reported seeing shadowy figures.
As you can hear, every voice sounds ultra-realistic. For this video, I'll be selecting this voice, but choose whichever feels right for your content. Next, in the TTS model settings, make sure to select S2 Pro for the best results. I'll be leaving the rest of the settings at default. Now head back to ChatGPT and scroll down to find the voiceover script at the bottom of the generated output. Copy it. For this tutorial, I'll only be copying a portion, but when creating your own video, make sure you copy the entire script. After that, go back to Fish Audio, paste the script in, and hit generate. Now audio is ready. Let's see how it came out.
Every night at exactly 3:33 a.m., he woke up. At first, it felt like coincidence, a glitch in his sleep. But then, it kept happening, again and again and again.
Audio is amazing now. Download the file. And then we'll move straight into the final step, which is the editing stage. And before we move on, I just want to quickly mention the pricing, because this genuinely surprised me. Fish Audio has a completely free plan to start. No credit card needed. And if you need more, the paid plan starts at just $15 a month. Compare that to 11 Labs, which charges significantly more for similar features. Fish Audio delivers equivalent or superior voice quality at around 70% lower cost. Same quality, fraction of the price. For anyone serious about creating content consistently, this is honestly a no-brainer. Now, we'll move straight into the final step, which is the editing stage. Once you open your editing software, I'll be using CapCut, go ahead and import all the video clips you generated. After importing them, drag each clip into the timeline in the correct order, one after the other. Once that's done, play through the video to make sure everything is arranged smoothly. After that, import the voiceover you generated and drag it into the timeline as well. Once you add your voiceover, it may not always align perfectly with the video clips. At this stage, you can trim any unnecessary sections and adjust the speed of certain clips where needed. After making these adjustments, your video should come together smoothly. Sometimes the footage may still be longer than the voiceover, but that's not a problem. You just need to arrange the clips properly to match your timing. Next, we're going to add background music in CapCut. Head over to the audio section and search for scary movie sound. Once you do that, you'll see several options appear. You can preview them and choose whichever one you prefer, as long as it's free to use. I'm selecting this particular track, then dragging it into the timeline and trimming any excess so it matches the length of the video properly. And that's it. It's really that simple. All you need to do now is export your video, and it's ready to be uploaded to any platform, preferably YouTube, where you can monetize this type of content and earn from it. Your final result should look something like this.
Every night at exactly 3:33 a.m., he woke up. At first, it felt like coincidence, a glitch in his sleep. But then, it kept happening, again and again and again. Same time, same darkness, same feeling that something wasn't right. The room felt colder each night. The shadows, a little longer, a little heavier. He stopped sleeping properly, started waiting for it. 3:33 a.m. Every night, he woke up, until one night he didn't. The clock still turned. 3:32, 3:33, But this time, he stayed asleep because something else was already awake. It stood there, watching him, breathing slowly in the dark, waiting, and then his eyes opened, but not like before. This time, something was looking out from inside him, and the clock, it still reads 3:33 a.m. every night.